In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert images to AutoCAD lines online. If you've ever had a logo, sketch, or site plan saved as a JPG or PNG and needed editable lines in AutoCAD, this quick method will help. We will use an online tool called Convertio to turn a raster image into a DXF, which is a widely supported CAD vector format. Raster images are made of pixels, while vectors are made of paths and lines you can snap to, move, and edit exactly what you want in CAD. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Convertio. You are looking for the conversion tool that specifically supports turning images into DXF. On the Convertio page, you will see an option to choose a file. Click the Choose File button. This opens your File Explorer window. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored. Select the JPG or PNG you want to convert, and confirm your choice. Back on the site, look for the output format list. Under the categories, select CAD, and then choose DXF as the target format. DXF is a great choice because it's compatible with AutoCAD and most other CAD programs. This step tells the converter to create vector line work from your image. Now click Convert. The file will upload and process online. Depending on your connection and image size, this can take a few seconds. You will see a progress indicator. Just let it finish. Once the conversion is complete, click Download to get your new DXF file. Open the downloaded DXF to view your results. If you have AutoCAD or another CAD application installed, double-clicking the file should launch it. You will notice that what used to be pixels is now vector geometry lines and curves you can select, move, and edit. Try zooming in to check the detail. Clean, high-contrast images usually produce better line work, while noisy or low-resolution images may create extra segments you might want to tidy up later. A couple of quick tips for success. Simple images with clear edges convert more predictably than busy photos. If you are preparing an image ahead of time, reducing background clutter and improving contrast can help the conversion algorithm find edges more accurately. Also, keep in mind this is an online service, so avoid uploading anything confidential. That's it. Thanks for watching.